Really looks that bad? Yeah. So I should wear a hat, but you say. Fine. How should I wear? Oh my god, this guy feels like a bear. That sucks. I look like so emo right now. Look at that. It's like going in my eye. That's scary. Get rid of that. Ah. Oh. Okay. I look so stupid. You guys have a hat this weird. Looks so retarded. Okay. 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 This was the chair made that noise. Okay. Hi everyone! I'm gonna try to count. Okay, cut that out. Hi everyone! I'm gonna try to eat 7 saltines. So yeah, here we go. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4. Forget that one. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6, 7. Okay. Alright, so here I go. Right. Okay, go. Oh! Ow. Ow. I missed. I hit my chin. Ow. It's doing price right. Isn't it a brand? It's doing saltines. No label saying if you miss you might get cut. Ow though. Check out my project. It's a Columbia flag. See red, blue, yellow. Don't ask me what kind of flowers those are. My girls are fake. God. Alright, try this again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Oh. I'm only supposed to go to 7. I can see this in the title. Man. Okay, I can get it right this next time. Okay. Here we go. Ready? It's good. Okay. Awesome! Look like a bear, what the hell? Oh, it's just a bad word again. Oh. My main account. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, totally. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Ready? Why are people saying that? We're gonna start now. There's like crackers all over my keyboard. That sounds racist. Crackers all over my keyboard. Get it? Because Bill Gates is white. Computer. Wow. This is wow. That is bad. Okay.